I'm trying to see what the hype is about Popeyes chicken sandwich, Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwich, and Wendy's chicken sandwich. I'm gonna try Wendy's. Wendy's? Let's see what you're talking about. Wendy's, you out the picture. You out the picture, Wendy's. You out the picture. This how you eat a Wendy's chicken sandwich. All right, now let me try a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Okay. Looking good. Okay. You got a pickle right there? Bit delicious. Whoo. Chick-fil-A. Hey, we already know you known for chicken sandwiches. Now this the Popeyes chicken sandwich that everybody been talking about. Now I'm finna see what the hype is about Popeyes chicken sandwich. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me see. Oh my God. Hold up, y'all. Hold up, I cannot just pick just yet. Hold up. God damn. I swear to God. It's a tie. I cannot just pick. Hold on, let me see. Let me try to do a little something right here. Hold on. Let me put the Chick-fil-A meat on top of the Popeyes meat. I'm gonna use the Popeyes bottom bread because that Chick-fil-A bread is good. Let me try this bit. Oh my God. Oh my God! This bit is hitting! Yo, I swear to God, this bit is hitting. Oh my God, I'm gonna call this the, oh shit. The pop Chick-fil-A, Man, this bit hitting for real. No lie, I swear to God. It's a tie between these two. It's a motherfucking tie between Popeyes and Chick-fil-A.